So if you're doing an oil change on your Mitsubishi Rvr 2019, chances are you're also going to want to check out your air filter here. First thing you want to do, pop this one, dovetail, give it a release, move this over here, lift this up, separate this, just like that. And then the next thing you're going to have to do is lift up. That separates. After it separates, take your air filter out and admire how dirty it is. So, air filter's out. As you can see, if you spread it, you can see there's lots of leaves and dirt in there. Go ahead and take a vacuum if you want. You can suck that out if you want to keep using this one for a little longer, but you should replace this. But if you don't have a replacement on hand, at least if you've popped this open and you see how dirty it is, you can at least clean it up and slide this back in. Make sure you put it back in the same orientation. And you can tell because this is the dirty side. Dirty side was connected to this, which is your cold air, or technically it's your OEM cold air because it's pulling cold air from the grill and in. And then the clean side is the side that's facing your intake manifold, which is this side. Because if it was the other way around, you'd have bigger issues. So go ahead and clean that up. So again, just like this, we're gonna go ahead and line it up in here and lift it, do whatever you want. Line up that gasket. It has to, see this gasket, how it's sitting in here? Make sure it's sitting in there when you sink this down. And then gotta go back in on the same angle that you took it out on. Otherwise, you're not gonna get your thing to line up. You gotta sometimes feel the bottom for the hook. Yeah, there it is. And guide them. Once you guide them in, just like that, that one's in. Make sure they're both in. Again, putting it back in is a little bit more fun. That's why I'm showing it. And you just have to line up that bottom piece. Okay, that side's still in. And come on. There we go. So, like I said, there's like a little peg and you're just working it into the hole. Once you do that, clips together like this. Put this one on first. Let's make sure it's sitting 100% first. That's like that. Now it's just being mean. There. Okay, that one's on. There. Okay. So now that that's closed up, remember this. Sink it in. Clip it into there. Take this one. Slide it back onto here or into here. The nub goes just like that. She's good to go. Thanks again for watching. Press like if it helped you out. Subscribe for more.